Your brain controls everything you do, and sometimes controls others too. It looks a bit like a grey walnut made of porridge and weighs about 1.3 kilograms. The outer layer is made up of 4 lobes. 1. The frontal lobe, planning, decision-making, organising, and voluntary expressive language or swearing. 2. The parietal lobe, touch, pain, temperature, and position in space. 3. Temporal lobe, emotions, listening, language, recognition and memory. And 4. The occipital lobe, seeing colour, form and motion. Your brain is connected to your spine via the cerebellum, controlling balance and posture, and the brainstem, which keeps your breathing regular, heart beating, food digesting, and blood pressure normal. It is thought that the parts of the brain closest to the stem, the lizard brain, are evolutionarily the oldest, followed by the limbic system, mammalian or midbrain, and the outer or neocortex, the human brain, being the most recent. Your brain is an electrochemical device full of, hopefully, neurons. Communications across the brain use the potassium-sodium pump, and carriers called neurotransmitters send the messages. The 7 main neurotransmitters are acetylcholine, dopamine, GABA, glutamate, histamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin. But let's not forget about our tummies and bums, I hear you say. Glad you asked. The lining of our intestinal tract contains over 100 million nerve cells, our gut brain, which sends and receives messages up and down to the brain. Our gut microbes also manufacture and respond to neurotransmitters. 90% of our serotonin for mood regulation, 50% of our dopamine for our reward system, and a huge whack of GABA to regulate sleep are made in our gut. Before you think of yourself and that big, complex 1.3 kilo brain of yours as being independent, needless of, or somehow separate from nature, I want you to give your gut microbiome a little thank you and some fresh vegetables. Just in case I haven't blown your mind about the microscopic stuff, consider the bigger picture. There are more connections between neurons in your brain than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy.